Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, we'll search about the application of Cash and we click here in this window. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.